my name is Karis, and today I am here to show you 2 quick and easy ways to put your box braids into a messy bun. I want to let you know I have already done a video on how to put your box braids up into just a regular bun. In that video, I included 3 different methods that you can do in order to put your hair up into a bun. I have also done a video on how to do a low bun. And these braids are not regular box braids, they are knotless braids. I love them. I will never do regular box braids ever again. And I've also done a video over them and the behind the scenes on how I got it done and everything. So I will make sure to link those 3 videos in the descriptions down below, so make sure you watch them after this video. Okay, so items you will need for these styles are some bobby pins, a small ponytail, and large ponytails. If you are wondering where I get these giant ponytails, which by the way, originally they're this size, but I have stretched this one out quite a bit. But I will make sure to leave a link to them in the description down below, but I usually get them at Walmart. Okay, so for the first style, you're going to take a small ponytail and put half of your hair up into a bun using that small ponytail. And it doesn't have to be neat or anything. You can just make it messy because we are going for a messy bun. So just do that. Now you're going to take your big ponytail and take your hair, the rest of your hair up, bring it up and just wrap it around the small bun that you already created. Then take the ponytail and wrap it around your hair. And I just wrap it around 2 times. Now you just loosen up your hair wherever it feels tight. This is where you can also use your bobby pins. Putting your hair up into the small bun first actually is very helpful if you have a lot of braids and you find it hard to grab all of your hair and put it into a bun, because like I have really small hands and sometimes it's really hard to put all of my hair into a bun. So doing it in 2 increments helps a lot. And if you are wanting a really messy style, you can like pull some hairs down and let them just like dangle. This next method is my absolute favorite. This is always my go-to. So we are going to start right away. So I'm going to just use one of these big ponytails. Flip your hair upside down and grab a hold of it all. Alright, now that you have it all gathered, you're going to take the ponytail and wrap it around half of your hair. Hold tight of that small bun you have created, and then with the remaining hair, split it in half. Then twist this half to your right and twist this half to your left. Okay, now all you're going to do is twist that hair tie back around. So I have the hair tie around the bun 2 times. And then I'm just going to loosen any braids that might be too tight and start tucking any braids that are still dangling. I really like this method because I typically don't have to use a bobby pin and it just stays put. I love it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend that might also find it helpful. You can even take a screenshot right now and add this to your Instagram story and tag me at Karis8. If you want to see more tutorials on how to style box braids, don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know. I will love to do more tutorials for you all. Don't forget to watch those other videos I have suggested in the beginning of the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.